story of Aster begins in 2024. A small idea, born under another name, Asterus. A project that started as a simple reward program, the Spectra Points program, meant to thank the earliest explorers of a new digital frontier. But soon, the team this was bigger than just incentives. Asterus wasn't a reward system. It was the seed of something that could redefine decentralized trading. At the end of that same year, Asterus merged with APX Finance, a protocol specialized in perpetual markets. That moment marked the birth of Aster DEX, the next generation perpetual DEX for all traders. With the fusion complete, Aster attracted the attention of major investors. In November 2024, YZ Labs, connected to former Binance ecosystem advisors, brought strategic capital to accelerate development. From that moment on, Aster entered silence, a silence of creation, building the infrastructure that would soon merge simplicity with professional power. Since then, the platform evolved beyond expectations. A cross-chain ecosystem, a 1001x leverage engine, and full self-custody for every trader. But then, something happened. Something that made the entire market vibrate. A single post from Changpeng Zhao, founder of Binance. He revealed he had personally bought Aster tokens with his own funds. In hours, the news went viral. Aster's price exploded. From a quiet promise, it became the most talked about project in the DeFi ecosystem. And soon, the community followed. Holders from all over the world, confident, loyal, united, believing not only in a token, but in a vision. November 4th, 2025, the day known as the Great Short. While the entire crypto market turned red, Aster DEX remained the only green light on the board, a symbol of resilience, of faith rewarded. And yet, this is not the end of the story. This is just the beginning, because Aster DEX is always innovating.